na nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga where we discover great places for you to check out for today's vlog. Welcome to Skyscraper Staycation and Roofdeck Pool dito po sa Mining, Angeles City. So, I'm gonna tour you of the place. Samahan niyo po ako. If you wanna know more about this, we're gonna provide the details in the link below. Let's go! Alright, so let's start dito sa facade ng ating staycation for today. Let's get inside. The time now is around 2:30 actually, kaya medyo ganyan kainit ang araw. And then this is our parang mini garden. And then meron tayong service area dun sa likod na yun. Later on, papakita din natin siya. So we get inside. Alright, kuha po tayo ng ating sandals. Right, so once you come in, ito yung living area natin guys. We have a huge LCD TV. Good for video, okay na rin siya. And then this very luxurious chair. Ayan, pang selfie syempre. And also this sofa. Then we have a dining table for 6. Meron din tayong refrigerator, a sink, microwave, and a water dispenser. And then dito sa ground floor, meron tayong room, a bedroom, good for 3. We also have a common toilet which is located here. Now going upstairs, let's go. Ganda ng mga designs natin sa stairs. Okay, so this is the main bedroom of the place. It has 2 beds, good for 4 person. Yan. You have a view of the rest of the property dito. Ayan guys, air condition din tayo dito. And check out the cove lighting, di ba? Ito yung kanyang sliding door. Ayan. So you can actually have your clothes here, all the stuff. No, you can keep it here. And then ito yung bathroom. You also have a bathtub and the shower. Okay, so coming out, kikita natin dito yung view ng ating living room. There you go. Okay, so coming out, ito naman yung kanilang parang pinaka-outdoor balcony. So you have view of your neighbor for the day, di ba? Alright, so that was the second level. Going now to the 3rd floor. One of the most exciting place, of course, dito sa Skyscraper is the swimming pool. And you can also have grilling. And then here is the actual pool. Ito yun, guys. Wow! Look at that. So let's check out the view later tonight, no? Para makita naman natin siya how it looks like during the night. So that was a quick tour. 6:20 and this is how it looks like, guys. It's swimming time. It's swimming time. Hey guys. Alright, the time is almost 10 o'clock in the morning and 2 minutes na lang mag-check out namin. And they are still enjoying. Hey, you guys enjoying? Oh, say hi to the vlog. What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, so that was it guys. I hope you enjoyed this resort tour dito po sa Skyscraper Roofdeck Pool. And if you want to know more about this, check out the fan page we're gonna be including. Thank you so much, Skyscraper. Until our next discovery. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. Peace. Bye guys!